Okay, so welcome to the Thursday edition. Today's the Thursday edition of Performance Seminar. We have two planned performers today. Currently have one of them here. So our first performer is going to be LeAnn, who's going to announce her piece and what she'll be playing.
My name's LeAnn, and I'm going to play Claire de Lune.
Awesome. So that was LeAnn playing Clair de Lune by Debussy. All right. So was that a first question? Was that a draft or was that a performance?
Draft.
That was a draft. Okay, sounds good. So I will start the poll for a draft. So if you want to take a look at that, and you can start filling out the poll now. And then if you have any verbal feedback, you can go ahead and raise your hands. There's a few minutes to fill out the poll. Does anyone have any verbal feedback to give before I start calling people? No. All right. How about Shivani? Do you have any feedback to give?
Well, I guess I like the dynamics and stuff.
Okay. So Shivani liked your dynamics. Who else? We have a not so full performance in there today, but we have a good audience. Okay, so we have 2 out of 4 of the responses. So I'm waiting on one more. So whoever that is, we have a few more seconds to get that in, and then we'll go to the poll after that. Give you another 10 seconds to fill it out. Okay, cool. So we'll wrap that up, and let me share the results. Okay, so in terms of rhythm, you got a 2 vote. You got 2 votes for 4. So yeah, the rhythm was pretty good. I didn't hear too many issues with it, so I would say that that's probably pretty accurate. Notes, you got 1 vote for 3, 1 vote for 4. I didn't hear too many note issues, so I'd say that was pretty good as well. Pulse, you got 1 vote for 4, 1 vote for 5. I say the pulse was pretty. I think the pulse was all right. There are a few sections. I think it was the tuplets that were a little bit. It kind of broke the pulse a little bit, but that's just like a very small minor detail. Everything else sounded pretty good in terms of that. So you got 1 vote for 4, 1 vote for 5. Dynamics, you got 2 votes for 4. This one actually, I thought the dynamics were pretty nice overall, and I think it captured the character of the piece, but I thought it was a little bit top heavy. So I think, especially in the sections where it says pianissimo, to really, really accentuate that really, really soft dynamic and really, really pull that out. And then I know that that balance isn't a part of the poll, but I think there are a few sections where it felt like the left hand was a little bit heavy, or that the left hand kind of overpowered the right hand. So I think that might be something to kind of focus on a little bit as you continue working on this piece. And then on the last part, articulation, you got 1 vote for 3 and 1 vote for 4, and yeah, the articulation is pretty good. I don't think there was too many issues that I heard in terms of that. So good job on that. Yeah. All right.